you can go from this to this.
What's going on, guys? I'm going to show you today how to replace your boat trailer winch. You see my old one right here. It's already got a strap on it. I'm going to show you one that actually has a new strap on it and the winch. So let's open this bad boy up. This thing's from Better Boat. I'll put everything in the description below so you can get one of these yourself. Got the hardware kit. It's got the crank handle. A nice new rope on there, look at that. That will be a nice new upgrade because the one I have now is very cheap and it likes to fray up and it's kind of splitting on the ends. So this should be much, much nicer. Real thick rope. Let's get to the install. All right. And also, before I forget, I'm gonna go ahead and release that. It's not gonna matter, it's already in my bunks and everything, so. Don't worry about your boat falling off when you do this. As long as you're on flat surface and you're not having your boat in the water, you should be fine. Almost got it. Got it. That was the last bolt. There we go. That's off. Get all these. I don't know if I'll reuse these or put the new ones on. Probably put the new ones on, they look pretty. So that's your before. And this will be your after. That's nice. It's a nice one. Just tighten that on there with your number 19. And for the crank handle, that's what worked for me. All right, got my bolts kind of started on there. Winch is in place. I'm gonna tighten everything, and that should be the last step. All right, number 17 will get you on this. Now I'm just gonna hand tighten the wrist. This back one might be a little more tricky since the rope's already on it. We'll make it work. I don't have a wrench that's the right size to fit back here, or I've already done that. I think that'll get it right there. These are all real nice and tight. Yeah, that hardware upgrade is gonna be a big difference too. Sounds nice. Gotta get that rope nice and tight. Get all that slack out of there. All right. Starting to move the boat. Nice and tight on there. Fits like a glove. Nice blue strap. Blue's my favorite color anyway, so. There you go. There you have it. It's the finished product.